Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel Newsfeed Career Plus. So let's start our current affairs of August 27th, 2021. And the first question is, which of the following bank has launched a new cybersecurity multi-donor trust fund? The options are A. World Bank, B. Reserve Bank of India, C. Asian Development Bank, and D. Bank of America. And the correct answer is A. World Bank. It is to better roll out cybersecurity development agenda in a systematic manner. World Bank is founded in 1944 and headquartered in Washington DC, United States. And the second question is, which of the following have signed $500 million loan to India to expand metro rail network in Bangalore? The options are A. State Bank of India, B. Asian Development Bank, C. World Bank, and D. Indian Overseas Bank. And the correct answer is B. Asian Development Bank. Asian Development Bank have signed $500 million loan to India to expand metro rail network in Bangalore. And the third question is, which of the following becomes first state with 3 WaterPress certified cities? The options are A. Odisha, B. Gujarat, C. Andhra Pradesh, and D. Telangana. And the correct answer is C. Andhra Pradesh. AP have 3 WaterPress cities. Those are Visakhapatnam, Vijayawada, and Tirupati. And the fourth question is, which of the following becomes first Indian renewable company to list on NASDAQ? The options are A. Tata Power, B. Adani Group, C. Reliance Power, and D. Renew Power. And the correct answer is D. Renew Power. Renew Power is the first Indian renewable company to list on NASDAQ. And the fifth question is, which of the following country fully approves Pfizer's COVID-19 vaccine? The options are A. India, B. Russia, C. China, and D. USA. And the correct answer is D. USA. The COVID vaccine, which may now be marketed under its brand name Comirnaty, it is approved by Food and Drug Administration of United States. The sixth question is, which of the following is now second largest manufacturer of personal protection equipment kits? And the options are A. USA, B. Russia, C. India, and D. China. And the correct answer is C. India. India manufactures more than 5 lakh PPE kits and more than 104 lakh N95 masks per day, and becomes second largest manufacturer of personal protection equipment kits. And the seventh question is, which of the following country have successfully conducted a test flight of Fateh 1? The options are A. Turkmenistan, B. Pakistan, C. Afghanistan, and D. Iran. And the correct answer is B. Pakistan. Fateh 1 is a Pakistan-made guided multi-launch rocket system. It is capable of delivering conventional warheads up to a range of 140 kilometers. The eighth question is, according to Safe Cities Index 2021 released by Economist Intelligence Unit, which of the following city secured first position? The options are A. Toronto, B. Copenhagen, C. Singapore, and D. Sydney. And the correct answer is B. Copenhagen. Copenhagen gets the position of the most secure city with a score of 82.4. It is followed by Toronto with 82.2, Singapore 80.7, Sydney 80.1, and Tokyo 80. New Delhi ranked 48 with 56.1 and Mumbai at 50th position with 54.4 in Safe Cities Index 2021. Yangon is at the bottom of the index with a score of 39.5, followed by Karachi at 39.7 as the second least safe city in the world. The Safe Cities Index is a global tool developed to measure urban safety. And the ninth question is, which of the following airport is renamed as Maharaja Agrasen International Airport? The options are A. Hisar Airport, B. Nagpur Airport, C. Mumbai Airport, and D. Cochin Airport. And the correct answer is A. Hisar Airport. Hisar Airport is renamed as Maharaja Agrasen International Airport. And the 10th question is, who among the following named as winner of Sahitya Akademi Award 2020? The options are A. Yashodhara Mishra, B. N.N. Pillai, C. Both A and B, and D. None of these. The correct answer is C. Both A and B. Both Yashodhara Mishra and N.N. Pillai named as winner of Sahitya Akademi Award 2020. Yashodhara Mishra named as winner of Sahitya Akademi Award 2020 Odia for her work Samudrakula Dhara. N.N. Pillai named as winner of Sahitya Akademi Award 2020 from Malayalam for his work Akasmikam Amcharyute Armakkuri Pokkal. The award carries a prize money of 1 lakh, a citation, and a certificate. The 11th question is, which of the following country qualified for the FIBA Asia Cup finals next year to be hosted by Jakarta? The options are A. Russia, B. Germany, C. India, and D. China. The correct answer is C. India. India finished second with one win and defeated to make their 10th appearance. The 12th question is, in which of the following country world's largest and tallest observation wheel in Dubai will be opened? The options are A. Singapore, B. Malaysia, C. Oman, and D. UAE. And the correct answer is D. UAE. The 250 meters in Dubai at Blue Waters Island in the Dubai, UAE. And the note points in current affairs are India's first solar electric vehicle charging station at the Karnal Lake Resort. India's highest herbal park inaugurated in Mana, Chamoli, Uttarakhand with a height of 11,000 feet. Union Cabinet has approved the highest ever FRP for sugarcane farmers. FRP for sugarcane has been increased to 290 rupees per quintal for 2021-2022. FRP is the minimum price at which sugarcane is purchased by sugar mills from farmers. This price is fixed by Union government based on the recommendations of CACP. The one-liners today are Pawandeep Rajan named as Uttarakhand Art, Tourism and Culture Brand Ambassador. Mother Dairy, Calcutta to be renamed as Bangla Dairy by CM Mamata Banerjee. Union Ministry of Minority Affairs to organize Mera Watan, Mera Chaman Mushaira. Subhadeep Ghosh appointed as the fielding coach of India women's team. And that's all for today. Thank you so much for watching. Please like, share and subscribe to our channel. Comment down your doubts below about current affairs. Stay home, stay safe.